In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meta AI not showing up on WhatsApp. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open WhatsApp on your device. Now make sure you're signed in to your account. Now head over to the Play Store. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to check if there are any updates for the app on the Play Store. And here, go ahead and search for WhatsApp and check if you can find an update button beside WhatsApp or an open button. Now, if you find an open button, this means that there are no updates on the application, while if you find an update button, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and hit on the update button to update the application on your device. So as you can see in here, WhatsApp is up to date on my device. Now, if this isn't the issue, then what you can do is to head back to WhatsApp and head over to Help Center. And here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen and click on Settings. On Settings, go ahead and look for Help and click on Help. Now, and here, go ahead and click on Help Center, and this will take you to Help Center. Now, go ahead and click on the Contact Us button. In this area, you'll need to explain that Meta AI is not showing up on your WhatsApp application. So you can go ahead and click on the next button once you're done making an email for WhatsApp. Now this will create a ticket which you can easily follow up on the application, since this will open up a conversation with WhatsApp. Now if this doesn't resolve the issue, what you can do is to wait for WhatsApp Meta AI to be available for your region, since this update is available for limited regions in the present. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this got helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.